What's going on, guys? Madzug here and welcome to another vlog. Yesterday's was probably like a minute long, I haven't edited it yet. But today we're going to be doing something more than just lunch. We are going to be meeting our great aunts and great uncles. So we'll see you there. Outside the house over there, see? Right, the field here, cows. And the reason why there's an electric fence here is in case any cows suspicious of life, and then try and get them. It'll get zapped and get scared. So, we are going to be touching it ourselves because I'm a cow. Okay, one finger first, yeah? Devil finger. Oh, sorry, Kane. So, what you're looking for. Once we came here, Alex had rubbery soled shoes, not them ones that you shut down, but they blocked the current weather, so you have to take one shoe off. Yeah.
There's one I prepared earlier. Ah!
You want this devil finger to go on this wire, do you? Leave a like if you do. 3, 2, 1. It like went up and it stopped round here. Ready? Alex, I think you might want to hold it again because I'm gonna hold it.
Ah! Stop screaming, there's nothing really attack out here. How will you get it through the rock? Do it. Go and do it again.
How you make your sound?
phones.
Yeah. They wouldn't be deadly perfect, so it's called nursing. That's her 471 is her calf.
Yeah.
There. And she has the 2 daughters with calf.
Hands, you see the old hands. I have very old hands actually. I didn't put on enough cream.
It looks really cool on the camera. Oh.
How's it going? It should be going faster. Very nice.
Hiya.
Oh yeah, how are you?
Hey.
Good lad.
Juno! 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 It's Juno! Oh no! Juno was sick! Oh, I did it!
Ed!
Yeah!
Man.
Bye bye, Juno. Juno? Bye bye, Pat.
Bye.
Bye bye. Guys.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye, guys. So, guys, I just finished my toast. And getting winding down, ready for bed, and that's where I'm going to end the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new. We're trying to get 150 subs by the end of 2017, so I need your help for that. Other than that, see you in another vlog.